Christmas is hitting the shop over at Kellofaplan. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and Christmas is hitting the shop over at Kellofaplan. These new Christmas goodies are going to release on October the 17th. That's Friday, October 17th. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. There is a Christmas planner, a holiday planner, 2 new sticker books. There's actually a new snap-in cover. I'm obsessed with the Kellofaplan snap-in covers. I think they are fantastic. So there's a new red cover as well. So excited to dive in and flip through the new sticker books and the holiday planner. So today I'm going to do all of those flip throughs. Don't forget, I do have an affiliate link down below. You can actually click that link now. You can bookmark it. You can use it on release day, and it helps me out so much when you're able to shop using that link. All right, let's go. All right, so we are diving into the new holiday planner. Look how pretty with the pink mixed in. I really love that. There's no place like home for the holidays. So pretty. That kind of hits me in the heart because we have a new home for these holidays. Here's the back with all of the presents and the stockings. And then inside cover, you have the poinsettias and the bows in there. These are red discs. These are the small red discs. So you may want to change these up depending on how you use your holiday planner. But there we go. Now we dig in. Oh, it comes with a little bookmark. It's the most wonderful time of the year. So sweet. I like the bookmark edition. That's kind of nice to include in there. So you have the bookmark that you can use throughout the planner. And then we dig right in. It says, "The magic of Christmas never ends. Planning a Christmas I love." So sweet. All right, so I like these pages. Important holiday events and Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. This would be nice to, if you go ahead and pick up this planner, to start marking these things now. We all know the holiday calendar fills up pretty fast. So if you just start marking things you know are going to happen, even if you don't have the specific date, but you know typical things that happen. And then as everyone starts talking about all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, making sure you don't miss any of those. Here is the November monthly. Undated, so you can use this any year, which is awesome. There is so much to be thankful for. It is very, very true. And then you dig into the week. So this is a simplified looking week. You have Monday through Sunday over here on the side. You can circle the days of the week that you are using. And then you have top 3, must do, events, and notes. And I kind of dig the simplified form for the busiest times of the year. We don't always have time to do the full on crazy layouts. So a simple form is really, really nice. Very cool. And then you dig right in. Thanksgiving Day plans. What's the schedule? When are you cooking what? When do you have to leave to go to family or friends? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. What are the plans that day? And then some simple to-dos. You have some room over here. Love that. That's cool. And then here's your meal planner. Breakfast meal plan. Appetizers, entrees, sides, desserts. Who's having desserts at breakfast? If you are having desserts at breakfast, you should join my family because I love that. Like, let's do cinnamon rolls and donuts, lunch meal plan and dinner meal plan. I need to know, are you having dessert at breakfast? Drop a comment down below. I love that. Okay, then you have decorative paper, super cute. Love that. And we go straight into December. So this is kind of simplified, which is different. Sometimes we add so much into our holiday planners that it's like too much to keep up with. So I like the simplified format. So December, undated again. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas event tracker. And then you go into those same simplified weeks. December, very cool. Plenty of room. And then you have the dot grid on the back. Love that. Now, Christmas Eve plans. Super cool. Schedule breakfast, lunch, dinner. When are you going to church? Do you open presents on Christmas Eve? Do you open them on Christmas Day? What's the plans and to-do lists? And then Christmas Day plans, kind of breaking it down to those specific days. And then we get into, oh, these are some fun ones. Okay. Christmas bucket list, decorate a gingerbread house, write a letter to Santa, wrap gifts, look at Christmas lights, drink hot cocoa, bake Christmas treats, decorate the tree, visit Santa, attend a candlelight service, mail out Christmas cards, pick out an ornament, these are things that I could do. I love that. Love that. And then we get into Christmas to-do lists, Christmas budget overview, category, estimated, and actual, maybe for different gift groupings, gifts, decor, food, things like that. And then keeping track of that budget. Christmas expense tracker, just to have it all in one place is always really nice. Online order tracker, yes, because I know it's crazy. And then we just start having boxes show up like nuts right after Black Friday. And I just need something to track what is coming and when, and did it actually show up? Master gift list. Love that. And people I'm shopping for. Look, it gives you a little place for a photo, 1 by 1.5 inch, name, favorite color, favorite restaurant, favorite snack, favorite hobby, favorite store, and then gift ideas. That's cool. This would be cool to use from year to year, just to keep it, updated. Oh, you could shop for all the people, guys. All the people. That's a lot to keep track of, but I would be super impressed. That's awesome. Stocking stuffers, name, gift. Oh, that's cute. That's adorable. Christmas party planner, date, time, location, activities, food, decor, guests, and shopping lists. Lots of room for that. That's adorable. Christmas Eve meal planner. I like that. Christmas Day meal planner. And Christmas baking plan. Ooh. Oh, this is like if you're going to bake multiple things, like this is not, these are for the full recipe. This is like, hey, these are my 5 goals to bake during this season. I kind of dig that. And then your individual recipe sheets, Christmas recipe 4, lots of room in here. I think these are fun to keep track of each year. Grocery lists for the season. Elf antics, that's a good one to track if you do Elf on the Shelf. Christmas events, Christmas card list. Helpful. Christmas movies to watch. Christmas books to read. Christmas playlists. All kinds of things you could track. I feel like most likely you're not using all of the different pages. What you're doing is picking out bits and pieces. And then if you use the same pages year to year, you can start to add more to it. Christmas lights scavenger hunt. That's fun. We do Christmas lights as a family, and we actually go get shakes from Chick-fil-A and milkshakes, and then we go look at Christmas lights. This would be fun. Family Christmas photo. It's like your photo planner. And then your Christmas card, our Christmas traditions, fun to document, and Christmas memories. On Christmas Eve, we celebrated with, our favorite moment was. That's cute. And then some nice places to do a little bit of memory keeping. Very simplified. Love that. Santa photos, favorite photos. And then you get into decorative pages. So this is dot grid. Love the decoration on the side. Very cool. And then you have lined. I'm glad she has both. That's really helpful. Both available. And then at the back of this planner, this is super cool. There are stickers. Guys, there's a lot of stickers. How many pages of stickers do we have? We have 5 pages. So decorative stickers. This is white sticker paper. Love. Very cool. Again, on white sticker paper. I love that it comes with the stickers. Some functional stickers that you can use. Some great quotes. And then some alphas. How fun is that? That is a cute little planner. Like I said, I would most likely mix and match some different elements from the planner and then maybe add to it over the years. Like I have a Christmas planner that I tend to pull out in November that I use each and every year, and I just make adjustments to what I need to change for that particular year. So I feel like that's what I would do. This is a really good start and a lot of different page options that you could use in your holiday planning. Okay, so to go along with the brand new Christmas planner are two new Christmas books, Christmas Florals Volume 5 and Christmas Stickers Volume 5. Volume 5, that's amazing. Heather is so amazing. Let's start with Christmas Florals. I love Heather sticker books because the functional boxes are right there. It just simplifies things, you guys. And it's great, especially when things are hectic this time of year. You're trying to do your planner, stay on your planner and decorate, but this just makes it really easy and simple. All right, let's dig in. Poinsettias and roses. So pretty. These are on clear sticker paper, by the way. 2 sheets of that. Sticking with the red and green. I like the pine cones mixed in. I do like pine cones this time of year, for sure. Beautiful. A little bit of a different look. I like the pink coming in. So pretty. Pink roses. I like that muted pink. I think that's absolutely adorable. And some holly mixed in there as well. That's very pretty. A little vibrancy going on here. A little brighter. Love. Super pretty. Also, I say this all the time. Don't forget about using these for cards, for decorating your holiday cards, for decorating your holiday envelopes. It's, making gift tags. These can come in really, really handy. Oh, lots of pink in this one. Ooh, and monthly stickers. Oh, yes. I like that with the bells. Very pretty. A little bit different looking. Very nice. Another different feel. I like the different colors. Intended for dashboard. Ooh, yeah, some cool tones. Some blue mixed in. Bluish gray. Back to our traditional reds and greens. More monthlies. Very helpful. Oh, cute. I like the envelopes too. Love. Think about this on the edge of like an envelope would be so pretty. Okay. I always like to see the colors first and then I imagine what the florals will look like. So pretty with the gold. That feels very holiday-esque, celebratory. Very cool and beautiful. Some wonderful quotes for Christmas. Is that different? Okay, 2 pages of those. Love. So pretty. So that's Christmas Florals Volume 5. And then we have Christmas Stickers Volume 5. I can't wait to see. I loved the Kellofaplan Christmas stickers last year, so I'm super excited to see what she came up with for this year. 1 page of functional. Oh, look at the vintage ornaments. Those are gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. And yes, it's on white sticker paper. I love the white sticker paper. Beautiful. There's some pretty scenes that you can create. Love those. Now we're into the pinks and greens. Oh, I felt like from the front of this, I felt like this was a little bit vintage-esque, and that's the vibe I'm getting, and I'm here for it. It's soft and beautiful. Look at those cookies. My goodness. Oh, I love it. Those are so pretty. All right, red and pink together. One of my faves. We got our Santas. Oh, look with the different faces. I like that too. So his face isn't the same each time. Bows are really nice. Decorated front doors. That's so pretty. Oh my. This is going to be bright. Oh, you guys, it's like Lisa Frank Christmas. Are you kidding me? Whoa, with the red Solo cup. That's fun. Oh, the advent calendar. Well, that's fun and different. It has a party feel. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That deep plum. Loving that. So, oh, it's nativity. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this one. That's beautiful. Those colors together, yes. Yep. Oh, that's a big sticker. Very nice. Here for that. Oh, this has a little bit of a retro feel. Let's see if it plays out. So pretty. Dear Santa, all the Santa letters. Cute. Oh, look at the wax seals. I like that in the mug. Gotta love a good Santa mug. You know what I mean? Oh, these are, she's doing a great job. Oh my goodness. So cute. Look at the little fox all curled up. Loving all of these elements. Those are great. This is a good one, you guys. I love Christmas. I love Christmas. Oh, we have all the elves and the reindeer. Mrs. Claus makes an appearance. Cute. And then some of the same quotes that we saw before, 2 pages of those. Oh, I love it. This one does have a different feel than last year, and I'm here for it. I love the nativity set. This one is hilarious to me. The colors are just everything. And then I'm really digging this set right here with the pinks and the greens. So pretty. All right. Christmas is here, you guys. It's time to start gathering your supplies for all of your Christmas planning. Again, this release goes live on October the 17th, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. in Central Time. I do have the affiliate link down in the description box, so thank you in advance for shopping that link. Let me know what you think. What are you excited about? And I still need to know about that dessert for breakfast thing, so let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. And I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this amazingly fun community. If you want to join us for all of our end of the year shenanigans, now is the best time. So head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.